In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invite external users in Slack. By the end, you'll be able to bring partners, vendors, or clients into the right conversations while keeping your workspace secure and organized. Start by going to slack.com in your browser and sign into your workspace. Everything we're doing today works the same in the Slack desktop app, but using the website keeps the steps consistent for everyone. Once you're in, look at the left sidebar and click on DMs. This takes you to your direct messages area, and it's also where Slack places the quickest way to invite new people. In the DMs view, find and click the Add Colleagues button. Depending on your plan or theme, the wording may look slightly different, but it's the option that opens the invite panel. Next, enter the email address of the person you want to invite. Use their work email so their organization can manage access properly. You can paste more than one address if you're inviting multiple people, and make sure everything is spelled correctly to avoid bounced invites. If your organization uses Google Workspace and it's enabled for Slack, you can instead click Continue with Google Workspace. This lets you pick contacts from your directory, which is handy for inviting several people at once without typing each email. If you don't see this option, it simply means it's not enabled for your workspace. Now choose how to invite them by selecting Invite As. You'll typically see member and guest. Members have access to most of the workspace by default, while guests are limited to specific channels. For external collaborators, guest is often the safest choice. If your plan allows it, you may be able to set guests as single channel or multi-channel and optionally add a time limit for access. Look for the Add to Team Channels section. This is where you define exactly where the invitee will land when they join. Adding channels up front saves time and prevents oversharing. Use the search box to find the channels you want them in. Type a channel name, select it, and repeat for any others they need. For guests, make sure you include at least one channel so they have a place to collaborate immediately. When everything looks right, click Send. Slack will email the invitation, and in some workspaces, an admin may need to approve it before it goes out. Let your guests know to check their inbox and spam folder, and remind them to accept the invite using the same email you entered. That's it. Go to Slack, open DMs, add colleagues, enter emails, or continue with Google Workspace, choose member or guest, add the right channels, and send. Thanks for watching and happy collaborating.